Ever wondered how to look as dashing as a male model? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of male modeling, showing you that it's not just about the genes, but the grooming. We'll let you in on the simple, yet effective steps to help you elevate your look. So, whether you're looking to turn heads or just feel more confident, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of the male model look. The first step towards a model look starts with perfect skin. It's not about perfection, but rather about healthy, glowing skin that radiates confidence. The journey to such skin begins with a solid skincare routine. Firstly, cleansing is key. It removes the day's dirt, oil, and impurities. A good cleanser is gentle, doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils, and is suitable for your skin type. Next, we exfoliate. Exfoliating once or twice a week helps to slough off dead skin cells and reveal fresh new skin underneath. It also promotes cell turnover and keeps your skin looking youthful and glowing. Moisturizing is the third step. It replenishes the hydration in your skin and locks in moisture. Look for a moisturizer that suits your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, combination, or sensitive. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a good sunscreen. It protects your skin from the harmful effects of the sun, preventing premature aging and skin damage. Remember, skincare is not just for the ladies. It's the foundation of a model look. Now that your skin is glowing, let's move on to grooming. Grooming is more than just a quick shave and a hair comb. It's about taking care of every aspect of your look, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Starting with hair care, your mane is your crown. Regular washing, conditioning, and styling can make a world of difference. Don't forget about your beard if you have one. Keeping it neat, trimmed, and conditioned can dramatically improve your appearance. Then there's body hair management, or as some call it, manscaping. Whether you choose to trim, shave, or wax, it's important to keep things tidy. Lastly, regular visits to the barber are a must. A fresh haircut and a clean shave can make you look sharp and polished. Remember, the best accessory a man can wear is confidence, and a well-groomed exterior can boost that confidence tremendously. A well-groomed man is a sight to behold, and you're on your way to becoming one. You're groomed to perfection. Now it's time to dress like a model. It all starts with fit. Whether it's a classic suit or casual jeans and a tee, the right fit can elevate your look and accentuate your physique. Try on different sizes, cuts, and brands to find what works best for you. Remember, models often keep it simple. A minimalist wardrobe doesn't mean boring. It means selecting versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of looks. Think solid colors, clean lines, and timeless styles. Quality over quantity is key. Investing in a few well-made pieces that last longer is smarter than buying a bunch of inexpensive, poorly made items. Lastly, let's talk accessories. A classic watch, a simple bracelet, or a pair of sunglasses can add a touch of sophistication to your outfit. Dressing well is an art, and you're mastering it. Finally, a model look is incomplete without a fit body. Fitness is not just about the aesthetic appeal. It's about feeling good, being healthy, and exuding that positive energy. The secret to achieving this is through regular exercise and a balanced diet. Start by finding a workout routine that fits your lifestyle. It could be anything from hitting the gym, doing yoga, or even taking up a sport. The key is consistency. Regular exercise not only helps sculpt your physique, but also boosts your mood and energy levels. Now, let's talk nutrition. It's crucial to fuel your body with the right foods. Think lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Remember, it's not about restricting your diet, but making healthier choices. Combine regular exercise with a balanced diet, and you're on your way to achieving that model look. With a fit body, flawless skin, impeccable grooming, and stylish dressing, you're all set to look like a male model. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Achieving that coveted model look isn't as complex as it might seem. It starts with a solid skincare routine, followed by careful grooming and manscaping. Dressing sharply is key, but don't forget the importance of fitness and nutrition in shaping that model physique. These steps, when incorporated into your daily routine, can make a world of difference. Remember, looking like a model doesn't require a runway. It starts with you and your routine.